welcome back to my channel. Here I'm Pooja and today I'm going to show you getting my life together vlog. So basically in this vlog मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी कि मेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है अभी तो खैर मैं अब लाइफ अपडेट दे देती हूँ पहले से ही कि मैंने अपने 2 एग्ज़ाम छोड़े थे अपनी बहन की शादी अटेंड करने के लिए। अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता मेरी बहन की शादी थी एंड मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल था ये पूरा मोमेंट बिकॉज मैं बहुत टाइम से वेट करी थी कि मेरी बड़ी बहन की शादी होगी। आई लिटरली इमेजिन्ड हर सो मैनी टाइम्स एज अ ब्राइड, तो मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल थी ये चीज़। सो आई स्किप 2 एग्ज़ाम्स, दो मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ था एग्ज़ाम्स छोड़ के बिकॉज मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी एग्ज़ाम्स नहीं छोड़े थे एंड या सो आई हैड ऑप्शंस कि मैं वो लेटर दे सकती हूँ, तो आई डिड इट एंड इट फेल्ट सैड बट कोई बात नहीं। आई एन्जॉयड द वेडिंग, आई एन्जॉयड माई आउटफिट, आई एन्जॉयड दिस। दो घर की शादी बहुत क्योस होती है बट आई एन्जॉयड माई मेकअप, हेयर्स एंड द आउटफिट्स, सो दैट्स इनफ फॉर मी एंड होपफुली मेरी फोटोज़ अच्छी हो फोटोग्राफर ने तो वो भी अच्छा मूवमेंट होगा मेरे लिए। एंड अदर देन दैट I am making this vlog to get myself together because I'm not doing well. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ले रही हूँ तो एक साथ सारी चीज़ों का, दैट इज़ नॉट वेल पर्सनली फॉर मी बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होने से बहुत सारे hormonal इश्यूज होने लगते हैं विच इज़ नॉट गुड एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्लम्प में चली जाती हूँ विच इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट गुड, सो आई एम नॉट गोना डू दैट। बट द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस ईयर इज़ आई कम्प्लीटेड 300 days चैलेंज ऑफ माई व्लॉग्स, शॉर्ट्स व्लॉग। अगर आप लोगों ने चेकआउट नहीं किया है तो नीचे कर लेना एंड इट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी फन मूवमेंट। दो मैंने पूरा टाइम व्लॉग्स नहीं बनाया, बीच बीच में ब्रेक लेके बनाया बिकॉज दिस ईयर वॉज so growing that I had the worst mental health situations in this year. तो मैं हर साल यही बोलती हूँ but this was something different. So yeah, it happened and now I am doing really well. But obviously life is still a mess in my mind, so I have to clear that. So this is about this like vlog. I'm gonna work on my mental health, work on myself. I'm gonna take care of myself, I'm gonna take care of my room, I'm gonna take care of the whole situation. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started with today's vlog. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make myself a cup of coffee because I'm hungry. दो पता है शादी के टाइम पे ही मेरा वेट गेन इतना ज़्यादा हो चुका है भाई, मतलब इतनी मिठाइयाँ होती है ना घर में कि मैं हर खाने के बाद मम्मी लंच के बाद मिठाई दे दो, मम्मी डिनर के बाद मिठाई दे दो, और इतनी मिठाई खा खा के मैं मिठाई बन गई हूँ, मोतीचूर का लड्डू बन गई हूँ गाइस। बट लेट्स इग्नोर दैट एंड लेट्स सी अब हम क्या करते हैं। मेरे को थोड़ा सा अपनी डाइट पे भी ध्यान देना है बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक व्हेन आई ईट लाइक दैट आउटसाइड मिठाइज अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर, सो उस पर मुझे कंट्रोल करना है बट एक दिन में तो वो स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, सो इट गोज टाइम बाय टाइम। सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है। अभी हम कॉफ़ी बनाने जा रहे हैं बिकॉज आई एम वेरी वेरी हंग्री राइट नाउ, सो लेट्स मेक अ कॉफ़ी। Guys, I'm back with my coffee and it's yummy. So the coffee is yummy. I have already tasted it, but let me update you. अभी हम करने वाले हैं अपने रूम की लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो बेसिकली मेरी दी ने मुझे ड्यूटी दी थी बेसिकली दी ने मुझे बोला था कि मेरे लाइक मेकअप ऑर्गेनाइज कर दियो और अपना भी कर लियो बिकॉज मैं हॉस्टल से मेकअप लाई थी एंड शी हैड हर ओन मेकअप विच इज़ नॉट टू मच दो। दीदी पीटने वाली मेरे को भी बट सो लेट्स ऑर्गेनाइज दैट एंड द कॉफी इज़ रियली गुड। लेट्स प्ले सम म्यूजिक एंड देन स्टार्ट विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिकॉज everything is a chaos right now, like everything is a mess right now, like मेरे earrings कहीं पड़े हैं, bangles कहीं पड़ी हैं and all jewelry and makeup and everything is a mess right now. So let's see how we can organize that first.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome to another day. So basically मैं आप लोगों से लास्ट मिली थी परसों when I was organizing the makeup. दो makeup तो उस दिन organize हो गया था and I was feeling really good after doing that. But obviously next day मेरे को पता नहीं कौन सा mood चढ़ा and I was not feeling well enough mentally. So I gave myself the time to process everything that was going on in my mind, and it was a great day I took off मतलब from everything. And basically I just grabbed all my emotions and talked to myself. That was a great moment for me. And other than that, I also watched Highway, which I watched for the first time, and oh my god, everything related to self-awareness. Any movie, if you can recommend me about self-aware or self-love or any girl being aware that, you know, she's gonna do so best in her life if she don't listen to the society, then that movie is my kind of movie. Oh my god, that movie was so good. Like Veera was so good in it. I'm just obsessed with that movie. I just loved it. And that was the best thing I ever did last night. And yeah, it's like one of my favorite movie in my list of favorite movies. So well and good. Other than that, today I didn't did much. I helped mama a bit and then I went for some grocery shopping with my mama. Basically grocery क्या सब्जियां लेने गई थी मैं मम्मा के साथ. But that was a nostalgic moment because जब से मैंने hostel जाना शुरू किया, I haven't spent a lot of time like doing some random things with mama. So I felt very nostalgic doing that with mama. Especially during winters, I really like going outside and buying fresh veggies. I just love it. I don't know who loves it, but I usually loves it. But right now, I just, मतलब not just, but I took a shower today, like a proper shower. मतलब जब तक मैं relaxing shower नहीं ले लेती मुझे अच्छा feel नहीं होता है. So that's one of the thing I did today. Other than that, I have tomato soup right here, so I'm gonna drink that. एंड मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोल चुकी हूँ. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू हम क्या करने वाले हैं अभी. सो बेसिकली आज मुझे करनी है अपनी टेबल सेटअप यहाँ पर. एंड सो बेसिकली अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे कभी व्लॉग्स नहीं देखे हैं पुराने वाले तो यू विल नॉट नो, बट every summer vacation I set up a table right here because otherwise I'm such an unproductive child. So I'm gonna set up a table so that I can do something even fun, study. Even if I'm not gonna study, I'm just gonna relax and journal or anything I would like to do. So I should have a space of my own, so that's why I just set up a table every single time. So by the way, this is my first time having winter vacations in my college और इनको तभी याद आया जब मेरा लास्ट ईयर है कॉलेज का. बट कोई बात नहीं गाइज, हमारी तो छुट्टियां हैं, हम इंजॉय करेंगे आराम से. सो लेट्स सेट अप द टेबल राइट नाउ एंड enjoy our tomato soup. So let's do it. मम्मी हाय.
हाय.
मैं सोलो डेट पे जा रही हूँ. चलो अब मेरे को ये बताओ कि आपको कैसा लगता है कि मैं सोलो डेट पे जाती हूँ.
अच्छा लगता है.
क्या सोचते हो?
घूमो फिरो ऐश लो और क्या करना.
ओहो, मतलब आपको कैसे लगता है मैं अकेली ऐसे घूमने जा रही हूँ, मैं दोस्तों के साथ नहीं जा रही.
विश्वास होना चाहिए बच्चों पे.
अरे अरे मेरा मतलब आपको कैसा लगता है कि मैं अकेले जा रही हूँ, मैं क्या ही कर रही होंगी, और ऐसा नहीं लगता आपको कि क्यों ही जा रही है.
वो जा रही है मौज लेने जा रही है. मौज लो, अपना खाओ पियो ऐश लो.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. So basically, kal I set up the table and then I did my dinner, went for a walk with my mom, dad, and then I went to sleep. That's like literally what I did. But today I have a plan. I am going for a solo date after a long time. मतलब मेरे को हो चुके हैं 4-5 महीने. हाँ, आई थिंक सो। आई डोंट रिमेंबर इवन कि मैं लास्ट टाइम कब गई थी, बट दिस इज माई OOTD. आई हैव माई स्टक ऑन, आई हैव माई नेल्स, एंड ऑल्सो आई गॉट सम न्यू earrings few days ago which are so pretty. So I am ready for my solo date, and you guys know how much I love solo dating. So अब तो मम्मी पापा को भी पता है, और आपने ये पहले वाली क्लिप देखी है तो आप लोग समझ रहे होगे कि मेरे मम्मी पापा को भी पता है how much I love going on solo dates. So yeah, let's go now, and मैं पूरी रेडी हो चुकी हूँ. I just have to pick up my bag and go. So let's go.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, I just reached the cafe and I ordered myself a Biscoff latte which has already came. मतलब मैं जब तक आप लोगों से बात करने लगी उतने में मेरी कॉफ़ी आ गई है. So I ordered something different this time, and I am not going to eat anything here because I'm just here for coffee and I just love coffee. So here I am to the cafe, and there are a lot of people around me which I'm liking because the vibes are really cozy and people are working, people are here for date, and I'm here for a solo date which is so pretty. So without any further delay, let's get started with our solo date. Hey guys, so I haven't talked to you in a long time, so let's talk. So basically I was just having my coffee, writing in my journal what I currently feel or what is happening in my life currently. So here's an update for you guys as well. So you know what, I have been thinking a lot about what other people think, and I think now I have get over it for a bit because yesterday I was having a conversation with my mom how I care about how people think about me, and my mom said, you are the one who taught me to not care about what others said, and now you are the one thinking about all these. And somewhere or the other I realized that when I joined college I didn't care what other students will think about me, but when I just started being with those people who think what other people think, I started thinking that, and that's what my mindset is right now. And I think I have realized recently that the people who judge you even when you are just doing simply living your life, they are just judging themselves so much that they won't be able to do what you are doing in your life. Like if people are judging me for making video, they will judge themselves making video on a social setting or in a social space, and that's what I think, and I've made peace with that no matter what you are doing or no matter how good or bad you are, people are gonna judge. So let's live now then. I mean, हम क्यों अपने लिए नहीं जी सकते, and why do we have to live for people's validation? And I think धीरे धीरे I am learning that, and if I'm vlogging here, people are staring at me. I don't know if they're laughing at me or not, but all I know is that I am having the best moment of my life, and that is all that matters. So that's what I want to talk about, and I think we should start making peace with being weird or cringe, because what is life without being weird or cringe? I mean, I love my life. I love the way I come to cafes, have coffee, and even vlog sometimes, and that's okay. That's life. I mean, that's how I like living life. And if somebody thinks that they like to live with their friends, so they can come with their friends. I like to be alone. I like, being self-aware about myself, and I'm seriously learning this year to learn about myself. So that's what make me come to solo date this time. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and read for a bit. So yeah, let's read for some time.
A few minutes later.
Hey guys, currently I am in Zudio for some shopping, and I am just deciding to buy some mist or perfume or deo, and I'm confused between three of them. And yeah, So let's see what I'm gonna buy. Hey guys, I'm back from the solo date. So let me update you. मेरी solo date कैसी रही? It was a fantastic date. I loved it. And but after a long time, I went on a solo date, and it was a must-needed date for me. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है that I go outside just to clear my mind. But in a long time, I didn't spend time with myself. And मतलब पता नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है, बट जब भी मेरी लाइफ में कोई भी नया पर्सन आता है मैं उसको इतना प्रायोरिटाइज कर देती हूँ दैट आई फॉरगेट टू प्रायोरिटाइज माई सेल्फ. बट ऑब्वियसली दिस इज द लेसन ऑफ द ईयर कि आई हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज माई सेल्फ एंड पुट माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट, बिकॉज if I will not have the energy to put in people, then what is the meaning of any friendship? And so basically I went on the date, I spent time with myself. Even if I did some little bit things, I felt like I was there with me. I regained all my energy, and your girl is back with a new energy right now. And that was such a cozy and beautiful date, and I'm very very grateful to God that I can go on such dates. And yeah, so that was the update. Other than that, I also got food for mama. मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं था, मैंने बस कॉफ़ी पी थी, तो आखिर मैंने रोटी खा ली थी अभी, एंड 2 घंटे हो चुके हैं मेरे को आए हुए. But yeah, that's the update. I love my outfit of the day. I just loved it, and I'm obsessed with this top. And yeah, so that's about the update. And yeah, I'll meet you later. By the way, this vlog is getting my life together, you know all. But me about getting my life together is all about me making videos. I mean, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा जो लैक करती हूँ और सबसे ज़्यादा जो कॉन्फिडेंस लैक करती हूँ वो ये है कि मैं वीडियोस बनाना बंद कर देती हूँ व्हेन आई फील सो बैड और सैड. बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. दैट मेकिंग वीडियोस मेक मी फील गुड. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ अगैन एंड अगैन दैट this is the most beautiful part of my life, and I should not stop doing, and I should not stop making memories or sharing my digitally. You guys are my digital diary. I share everything to you guys. So yeah, I just feel good by making videos. So yeah, I'll meet you later. देखते हैं अब हम क्या करते हैं. But right now I'm just gonna go and wear my cozy night suit, and देखते हैं फिर हम क्या करते हैं. Bye.
One eternity.
Hey guys, welcome to the next day. And so basically today is right now it's evening, and me being the sleepyhead, when 10 बजे उठने के बाद, एक्चुअली नहीं, हाँ 10 बजे उठने के बाद मैं फिर सो गई थी एंड मैं पूरा दिन सो रही थी. सो दिस इज जस्ट poo in winters. So I just want to update you about what is going on in this vlog. So this vlog is always not about me fixing my routine, like getting my life together. If I am making it on my channel, then it's not only about me fixing my routine, it's about me fixing myself. Because see, I have been at the worst mental health situation in 2025. एंड मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता मेरे को क्या करना था अपनी लाइफ के साथ. मैं इतनी एंशियस थी दैट आई डिडंट नो इफ आई वांटेड टू लिव or not. And I think that's a really big thought to come in your mind, and which was too much for me. And I just gave myself time to process everything and to feel everything. I mean, अगर हम इमोशंस को इग्नोर करेंगे तो कभी ना कभी तो वो वापस आएंगे. सो अगर कभी मेरा रोने का मन करता था और करता है तो मैं रो लेती हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव टू लेट इट आउट ऑफ माई बॉडी. एंड लोगों को पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों लगता है दैट इफ आई एम और इफ समवन इज अ साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट, दे विल ऑलवेज नो हाउ टू मैनेज देयर एंजाइटी or how to manage everything. No guys, we are also struggling, and somewhere we struggled with our mental health, and that's why we entered, so that other people don't struggle with their mental health. Matlab enter this field so that other people don't struggle with their mental health. So yeah, that's the random thing I wanted to share. And this vlog is all about me doing something that makes me happy. And I have learned one thing, that if you're doing something that makes you happy, that doesn't have to make sense to anybody else in your life, whether it's your friends, whether even sometimes it's your family, because sometimes उन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता कि मतलब आपके लिए आपको किससे खुशी मिलती है. And sometimes you have to make your parents and your siblings understand that these little things make you happy, and that's okay. I mean, matlab, it doesn't have to make sense every single time, and that is okay. So yeah, so today I'm doing junk journaling, though इसमें कभी कभी starting में मुझे भी sense नहीं लगता था. But now I am learning that if I am enjoying some activity, that is for me, and it doesn't have to make sense to anybody else. Even if I will grow up, I'll be 30, 35 one day, and I will still do those activities that makes me happy, and that's okay. And today I was doing junk journaling, which I wanted to start for a long time. तो मैं चीज़ें collect कर रही थी. I had all the bills. I randomly went with my friends out, or my sisters. I went out with my sisters. I randomly bought a diary in the mid of the year to start new journal. So that's the thing, and all my favorite stuff that I collected. And I think that makes sense somewhere, but that's okay. It doesn't make sense to anybody else in my videos. But trust me, doing some random things or any random thing that makes you happy doesn't have to make sense to anybody else. But yeah, so here me, मतलब मैं इस वीडियो में इतना बोली हूँ गाइस, इतना बोली हूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट नो आप लोग सुनोगे भी या नहीं. बट ट्रस्ट मी, I love telling you everything what is going in my mind. It just heals a part of me, and I'm trying my best to put out good content, and I just don't want to be anybody else. I just want to be me now. I mean, for a long time I started doing things for people, but somewhere I know nobody is actually coming, and nobody is gonna, I'm not gonna be with people who will accept a side of me that is not actually me. So I would rather be me and just not be with people who are not for me. And I think I've gotten deep here, and that's okay. But I'm not gonna talk about anything else, but I just wanna randomly share my favorite song list of 2025, which obviously contains the most favorite song of mine. After watching Highway, वो मेरा और ज़्यादा favorite हो गया है. That is पटाका गुड़ी होता है, गुड़ी होता है गुड़िया, I think. I don't know how to pronunciate that, but I am obsessed with this song from the mid of the year. Like जब मेरी life में थोड़ा सा crisis आया था, and I randomly started feeling bad about my life, I started listening to this song. I posted this song on my Instagram reel as well. I'm telling you, this song and this Highway movie healed a part of me. And if you are into self-love, and if you want to watch some beautiful movie, watch this. This is beautiful. And let's start the song, because I can listen to this 24/7. This line is my favorite. And let me tell you the meaning of this line. मैं तेरे तो छड़िया, मतलब मैं आपके ऊपर सब छोड़ती हूँ, and that is referring to God. And I really want to leave everything on God this time, because I have took a lot of stress about random people, random things, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, me oversharing with you guys. But let's listen to another favorite line from this song. So let's start. So that you have listened to my most favorite song, I just want to tell you that this refers God as Ali, and don't take it in an offensive way, but I'm telling you, I believe in Ek Omkar. I believe there is one God, one energy, that provides to everybody else. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जितना भी भगवद गीता में लिखा है, जितना भी कुरान में लिखा है, जितनी भी बुक्स बनी है रिलीजन पे, somewhere it tells the same thing. It's Bible. I believe in that. I don't know if it's true or not, but I believe in that. I believe in one God, and I believe that that one energy is stronger than any negative energy in the world. And that's what I want to tell you. And I believe God is God. No matter what religion are you from, your God is always with you. So yeah. So that's randomly what my favorite song is about. And also I love Khayal, that is from like Talvinder ne gaya hai. And I love that when I went with my friend, like I went to my friend's home, जब मैंने मतलब वो ड्राइव करी थी, मैंने उसकी कार में सुना था, तो मैंने पहले सुना हुआ था, but then I got obsessed with that song. And the third song is Say Yes to Heaven by Lana Del Rey, and I love that song because I have a favorite line from that song also, but I love that full song. I also love That's So True. I think it's by, I don't remember the singer's name, but that is also a really good song. But yeah, that's about like my list. That is a very small list. मेरी list बहुत लंबी है, but these are the top songs that I really was obsessed in 2025. And yeah, I think I should end this video right here, and because this video, it has been too long. But let me show you what I have done. So here are all my bills, and here are all the random things I ate by it because I love them. And I went to some places as well. Chai Bagh, promoting Chai Bagh, guys, because I loved it. No, I'm not promoting it. I'm just not in collaboration with Chai Bagh, but Chai Bagh is good. If you live in Jaipur, you can visit that. That's randomly it about this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And comment करके बताओ, अब मैंने 300 days challenge complete कर लिया है, तो अब अगला challenge क्या करूँ, है ना? And yeah, bye, love you, and just know you guys need me.